Okay, we're at this firehouse.
We're at Citizens Hose.
Citizens Hose Firehouse.
This is Natrona Heights.
In Natrona Heights. I think this might be new. This might be old.
This is Harrison Townships.
Harrison Townships. Truck. We got an ambulance. Let's check out this ambulance.
It's blue.
It's a blue one. Never saw a blue ambulance. I don't want to get electrocuted, but uh-oh. They in the call?
No, that's just a pump.
Yep, here's their heavy-duty rescue, of course.
They've been in business 100 years.
Wow. Here's this one. It's another engine. Looks like the rescue, but it has a pump. So, gotta pause real quick. And here's the battalion, of course. Battalion chief. I call it a battalion car, but I call it a battalion car, but it's actually a chief car. Here's another ambulance. And what the freak? That's a picture of the engine. I guess there was an ambulance here. Here's a van-ambulance. I don't like this truck. I don't like this van-ambulance. I don't like it. Yep, but yeah, it's just a little window. This is the office.
It's my grandson. Yep. His